The Infinix Hot 70 Pro Max is imagined as an ultra-flagship device built to deliver extreme performance and premium features at a surprisingly accessible price point. It comes with a stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display that offers ultra-smooth scrolling and rich, vibrant colors, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Powering the phone is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor paired with a massive 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of storage, ensuring lightning-fast speed, flawless multitasking, and huge space for apps, videos, and games. On the camera side, the Hot 70 Pro Max is equipped with a groundbreaking 400MP sensor capable of capturing incredible detail and impressive low-light shots. Keeping everything running all day is a huge 8,500 mAh battery supported by 120W fast charging, allowing users to get hours of power in just minutes. Overall, the Infinix Hot 70 Pro Max blends power, display quality, and camera innovation into an ambitious super device.